Assalamualaikum. Okay, this part is our coding project, Smart Dustbin. Okay, we use LCD I2C, and this is the declaration of the LCD I2C, and we use servo, and that is the declaration. We use IR sensor, buzzer. Because we use buzzer, we replace with the LED because I think buzzer more compatible on my project to alert the user that the trash in the dustbin has been full. If you use the LED, maybe it not alert the user faster than buzzer. 3-pin and echo pin is the port input and output for the ultrasonic. And in the void setup, we declare the servo main attached at port 9. We declare the pin mode for ultrasonic and 3-pin and echo pin, IR sensor, buzzer, and then in this box setup, after the smart dustbin has been on the supply, LCD init that it is LCD begin, that we display smart dustbin and start down, and then delay, and then the smart dustbin and start down will be linking 3 times, and then the servo main write 0 uh, to clear the reflex when the supply has been on. So let's continue to the void loop. In the void loop, uh, we declare the ultrasonic first, recording for ultrasonic to overcome the distance that we have been set. So integer status sensor, digital read IR sensor is the coding for the IR sensor. For the initial condition, the status IR sensor is 0, digital write low, digital write buzzer low, and else if the IR sensor sense the dustbin has been full, the dustbin has been full, the display will be show tong sampah penuh, and the servo will be opener of the dustbin, and then the display no display buzzer low. This is I use 2 times that I put on the top of the coding in the IR and the bottom of the coding because I want to symmetrical with the buzzer. Yes. So on the other line, if distance less than 10 is the coding for the ultrasonic. If the motion sense on the less than 10 cm, buzzer will be low, and then buzzer will be not operate, and then the LCD will be show tong buka. Servo will be operate to open the opener of the dustbin. Delay 2 seconds, LCD will be display tong buka also. And then it will be blinking 3 times in the LCD. And else, LCD will be clear, servo will be not operate.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dr Ikhwan Hafiz bin Mamat, and my number ID is EA18081. So for my project, I will demonstrate you and simulate about our circuit in Proteus. For the component that we use is LCD I2C for the display of our project, and the microcontroller that we use is Arduino Uno, and ultrasonic for sense our hands or legs to open up the lid, the cover of the dustbin. And we also use IR sensor for to notify about the the user about the level of the rubbish, and buzzer for to if the rubbish is already full, the buzzer will notify the user to throw out the rubbish. And lastly, we use servo motor to open up the lid of the dustbin.